If you're looking to implement a lockout tagout system at your workplace to allow you to isolate machinery that's either faulty or undergoing scheduled maintenance, a lockout station like this can often be a handy item. This is one of our most popular. It's the Brady SafetyPlus 10 padlock lockout station. It contains 10 of the SafetyPlus padlocks. Now each of those padlocks have a different key. That allows you to work safely knowing that an individual worker can't inadvertently remove their colleague's padlock whilst their colleague's still working on the piece of machinery. There's several hasps. Now the hasps allow you to put different padlocks through the holes in the hasp. So each person has their own padlock. They put their padlock through the hasp and the hasp can't be removed and the piece of machinery restarted until everyone's removed their padlock from the hasp. There's 10 tags and cable ties as well. That's a great little lockout station. It's a starter station. We've also got a smaller version of that. This is a 5-lock station containing the same sort of gear but just less of them. If you're looking to implement a lockout tagout system at your workplace, feel free to engage with the local SafetyQuip crew. If you'd like one of the safety specialist team members to come out to your workplace to talk through this gear and other lockout tagout devices, feel free to book it in. We'd love to assist.